color you wanted?
Oh, God.
What do you think? Huh? What you
Oh,
think?
my God.
I can't get out of the car. You got me locked
Get them locked in.
Oh, my God.
This guy keeps saying,
in. I would get out, but
What are you gonna do?
I like got him locked up.
Oh, I probably did. Yeah?
Oh, my God.
What do you think? You think that'll work?
So she can drive me everywhere.
I've had it for a month.
and then they
That's why I couldn't talk to
and
you.
they laughed at us.
That's why I couldn't call you and talk
Oh,
to
my
you.
gosh.
You like it?
Yes.
The rims are so shiny.
I love it.
Look at the
Oh, my
back.
gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is that what you sent me, Mom? The picture? Yep.
Think it'll
That's
work?
awesome. Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
Well, get in it, get out, and pull it up in the driveway.
Josh,
Ah.
they're gonna ride their